when you were passing by here, as you said, what was the situation over here and what held over here?
Yesterday around at I guess 7:30 or 8 p.m. I was passing through this road and I saw पेट्रोल भरवाने के बाद from the pump कि यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा पेड़ काट दिया गया है और उसके बाद आगे आया तो saw कि more trees have been cut here. So I was surprised because in Punjab we are trying our level best to save the trees. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कमेटी 2022 में बैठा था और उन्होंने 75,000 रुपया 75,000 रुपीज़ वॉज उन्होंने बताया कि कीमत रखा जाएगा एक पेड़ का 5 साल के एक पेड़ का नो 7,000 एक पेड़ का 1 साल का कीमत। अगर वो 100 साल का पेड़ है तो उसकी कीमत 75 लाख रुपए है। 75 लाख शुड बी द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन ट्री विच एज इज अराउंड 100 years just for the work, for the service it is providing us all humans, oxygen, carbon dioxide sequester कर रहे हैं वो, रेन बादल खींच रहे हैं, बारिशें ला रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग नेस्टिंग स्पेस फॉर द एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स। सो उसके हिसाब से और ये लोग 20 people today, yesterday I told Kala ji जिनके पास I was staying and she gathered people in the morning, अवंतिका सर आए, Lord sir आए, मैम को फ़ोन किया, नॉर्मा जी को, पद्मश्री नॉर्मा जी, everyone gathered and मतलब they tried, they helped us. We were very very distressed from the morning that यहाँ पेड़ काट ना जाए।
कौन काट रहा था सर? कौन काट?
PWD उनके ऑफिसर, उनके बंदे थे, ठेकेदार था मोहम्मद और अब्दुल्ला, वो काट रहे थे। उन्होंने शरेआम देखो जी क्या हालत की है पेड़ की, ये हालत दिखाओ पेड़ की। That is the tree which we अपना succeeded in saving that tree because that was planted 40 years ago and that is a native tree, that is a rain tree. इसको बिल्कुल नहीं काटा जाएगा। अब इन पेड़ों को यहाँ पे इसी तरीके से रखा जाएगा। आगे जाके 2-3 पेड़ों को ट्रांसप्लांट किया जाएगा जो इनके मुताबिक रास्ते में आ रहे हैं, हमारे मुताबिक नहीं। ये रास्ता निकाल सकते हैं, सॉल्यूशन है हर चीज़ को, इनकी नीयत साफ नहीं है। दे डोंट हैव माइंड, जहाँ चाहा वहाँ रहा, वेयर देयर इज अ विल देयर इज अ वे, बट दे डू नॉट want their will to move towards sustainability, towards eco restoration वगैरह वगैरह। So they want to just destroy the ecosystem and create a new one.
Have you made a complaint regarding? Have you made a complaint regarding, sir?
We have informed the government.
जी।
Government immediately stopped it. Okay. I called up the range forest officer. We contacted the deputy conservator of forest. We contacted the forest officials, and we said this is against the High Court order. Yesterday only we had deliberation in the High Court regarding a Seolian tree cutting case. And High Court has expressed concern that they are fast losing the green cover. Entire Porveri road trees are being shaved off. Now they are shaving off this Mapsapara road. What will happen to Goa? Who will want to come to Goa in a desert?
Yes.
People are coming because Goa is green and beautiful. If all the greenery is gone, the whole world is making the roads green, and here we are making the greenery into desert. What is it? Meaningless.
Sir, yeah.
You want to ask something?
Yes, sir. Today you all have come to the road going to Kalangut side next to the Bongeshwar temple. We see many huge trees being trimmed out.
Yeah, there were about almost 30 trees. They had taken permission to cut 21 trees, but they were actually marked 26 trees. This is completely illegal. First of all these trees could be saved. They were not required to cut because they were not in the middle of the road. They were away from the road. Now if you see the other side, that side, they have cut all the trees. And what is the result? You have cars parking all over. So same way, they should have kept the trees, and the people who could have parked the cars in between the trees, you would have got shade. Birds would have got shelter. Reptiles would have got shelter. The insects would have got shelter. Butterflies would have got shelter. It is a rich biodiversity. Every tree has got rich biodiversity. We can't just go and chop and butcher the trees. What's happening is everywhere.
So without consent, NOC or the permission, they have been trimmed out this? Do you think so?
See, permission they give blindly. The forest department doesn't care about the tree authority which gives permission. It doesn't apply its mind. See now, this whole road has become barren. It looks like a desert. People, countries in desert, they are planting trees. Here we have natural trees and we are cutting and destroying them. We are converting our green into a desert. This is no common sense. The government has no planning. When they plan a road, when they plan a footpath, when they plan the gutters, they have to think about the trees around and how to plan and design the roads, design the footpath and the gutters around the trees. Development has to be around the trees, not by cutting the trees. That has always been our philosophy. But government is reckless, brutal. They don't care. These are just butchers who want to only cut the trees and they say this is development.
So आता कितली झाडां कट केल्ली आसा?
आता सगळी झाडां कापली म्हणून मेन फॉरेस्ट ते सांभाळला. They will not touch this. they agreed not to touch the main forest trees.
Okay.
So that is our
They
biggest
have
achievement today.
uprooted or they have just trimmed
No,
it?
it's not touched. We didn't allow them to touch.
Okay.
That is our biggest success today. That we saved that 40-year-old rainforest tree, which is near the petrol pump, with a huge canopy.
Yes.
Which crosses from right side to the other road. You can see that. It's a huge canopy of tree that we have saved the tree, and they have agreed not to cut it.
Okay.
I hope they keep their word.
So temporarily they have stopped.
Not temporarily, permanently.
Permanent.
We have stopped them permanently. We will not allow them to cut the tree.
Okay.
That's it. They have decided and they have agreed that they are not going to cut it.
Call from some tourists, one of whom I had met in Rajasthan at an animal welfare conference, and he called to say that they were cutting big trees. They had already felled a number of trees yesterday, and it was for the road, not so much in the road widening area, but the pavements that we had insisted must be made along the road widening. Now, this petition was in the High Court and they said they would complete the pavements, but you can certainly do the pavements around the big spacious trees which are there and should not cut them. So when I came to my office, because I had an NGT hearing, I telephoned the Advocate General, Mr. Devidas Pangam, and I said they are felling huge trees. So he said, where? I sent him a picture and he wanted to know who had been doing it, and I think it's a PWD. So he has called up the PWD and said not to fell the big rain tree which is now over there for now. So I don't know whether they are going to consider anything in future, but we have already explained that you can make your pavement around the tree and not fell it because it provides huge shade all over. Just yesterday the court had a discussion in a matter which Mr. Avet, yes, Sioli case, and asked the Goa Foundation, please draw up a program for felling of trees for the road widening, which kind of trees can be felled, which cannot be felled, and where you are going to replant and when you are going to replant or transplant, and who is going to monitor. Because apparently for all the roads, highway roads that have been, trees have been felled, the Ministry for Road and Transport Highways has already paid a sum of 10 crore to the contractors, and they are supposed to have planted 64,000 trees. Where they planted, we don't know. I asked the court said that now past things we don't want to go into, let us look at the future. But I think we should pursue the past trees because it's not 10 rupees, it's 10 crore gone to the contractors.
Yes.
Okay?
Still being a summon and fining so much of crores, why do you think the ministers have been doing such thing?
Because they want, it's a Ministry for Road, Transport and Highways, they want to make highways. So somebody has to bother about the trees, and the Forest Department does not care apparently. It's only left to citizens to figure out the trees.
The Forest Department, who is also taken by the Vishwajit Rane sir, has to actually
See, the
consult.
tree authority gives the permission to fell the trees. The tree authority also gives a condition, plant 3 times the number. After that, the tree authority takes a security deposit. And if the party does not plant the trees, they take their security department and supposedly plant somewhere. But who plants, where plants, nobody knows and nobody has planted. That is the problem.
Also survival rate.
Yes.
Nobody follows up if the trees are surviving or not.
As you said, this cutting of trees been done by the PWD, the local authority like municipality and the local MLA, are they aware of it?
We don't know. They don't care. Who cares? See, this PWD was given permission to cut 21 trees. They came with a plan to cut 24 trees, and they were cutting 26 trees beyond the permission given to cut trees. 27 trees.
Each department goes with blinkers. My business is to make the road, I make the road. Your business is to look after trees, you look after trees. That's how it is.
Yes. What will be your future course of plan for
I
regarding
told
this?
you that just yesterday the
High
High
Court
Court
has
has said to draw up a plan and ask the Goa Foundation to sit down with PWD, Forest Department, Tree Authority, Planning Authority to find out where the trees can be planted. First of all, which trees can be cut and which cannot be cut, and where they can be planted, who will monitor, and for how many years. I have said for 5 years.
Yes.
So next hearing is on 24th of September in the High Court.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.